How to change name on Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on your Amazon account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on account. And now here, once you see the interface like this, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on login and security. Now here in this section, you have to verify your identity using password or two-step verification. And here, once you're done with that, what you can do is you can just tap on edit button beside your name, and after that, on the next page, you simply have to tap on the box and simply delete and enter your new name. And here, once you're done with that, you can just tap on save changes. And with that, keep in mind that this name is for your account, not for your delivery packages. So here, to change delivery name, you can go back to your account, and there you can simply go to the address section and you can correct name you want on deliveries as well. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.